Dear friends, in the history of Indian judiciary, some notable improvements have been taking place in the functioning of the Supreme Court of India since N.V. Ramana has taken charge as the Chief Justice of India. The most outstanding one is the announcement made by the Chief Justice of India. His topmost priority would be commencement of the live telecast of the Supreme Court proceedings to the general public, which would be transparent and strengthen the health of Indian democracy to a higher level and increase the confidence of the general public as custodian of their constitutional rights. That was the most prerogative of the topmost assignment that the Chief Justice of India is going to go ahead with. Why the decision of the Chief Justice of India is so important at this given point of time? The people of India have lost their hopes and confidence on the lawmakers and the executives in delivering the goods and services to the common people due to their misappropriation and mismanagement and corruptive actions and looting the wealth and health of the resources and the public property, not delivering goods and services to the general public but to their personal ends. The point herein is that the pronouncement made by the Chief Justice of India is strengthening the expectations of the general public on the Indian judiciary, its confidence and hopes. The assets of the judiciary and the rulings of the Supreme Court of India has wider implications and consequences and ramifications to the entirety of the Indian population. Hence, the things what are as happening in the judicial proceedings at the apex court shall be known to the general public so as to understand the rights and the things that have been happening in the Supreme Court of India. It's for your information, the Lok Sabha live telecast has been taken place as the brainchild of the former Lok Sabha Speaker Somnath Chatterjee in the year 2006, and in the thereafter there was some arrangements so as to make the Rajya Sabha TV television broadcasting, but this Rajya Sabha chairman then Bhairav Singh Shekhawat has opposed the move, but on the assumption of this Amit Ansari as the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha TV is working, and it's give a lot of inputs to the viewers who have been watching both Lok Sabha TV and Rajya Sabha TV, and what things are going, whether the members of the parliaments are attending the sessions, how they are debating, and what issues they are debating, and what the interest of the people are being safeguarded by the policy makers in both the houses of parliament. Hence, the proceedings of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, which have been telecasting to the general public, is giving a lot of inputs what things are going on in the parliament. And the same thing, if it happens in the Supreme Court of India, it would strengthen the health and this vibrant democracy among its Indian citizens. This is a welcoming situation. We welcome the initiative taken by the Chief Justice of India. Thank you so much.